Look at that. Might as well just roll it. Oh man! Look, I got a straight shot of you coming right off. Oh man!
I thought I was gonna flip off. I thought this thing's gonna roll on me, man.
I thought you were gonna keep going. I'm scurrying to get out of the way. Oh man!
Hey, you got 5 minutes in. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! 5 minutes in.
We got enough water. Whoa, that's deep right
That's
there.
very deep.
That's deep.
Look what happened. Came around the bend, couldn't make the turn.
Holy crap. Are these mosquitoes?
Nice. Look at that. Might as well just roll it.
We're not even 5 minutes into the ride.
Uh,
What happens when you go out with these guys here? Look, see that face right there? Remember that face when he asked you to come out? And he's accomplished right here. Hold on, let's zoom in on there. He is.
yeah.
And these guys tell you we're coming to have a good time. We're coming to have a good time, man.
Alright, let's do this path. No go. No go. I'm up on the embankment again. Oh man. I think I can get it off of this one. I did some bird jumps. Can you see me? Oh man. All right, I gotta get some video of this. But yeah, I can make it through. Nice. Second embankment.